Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You have to act now. Gather NFC tags, an NFC-capable phone, and an app like NFC Tools. First, enable NFC in Settings. Make sure Battery Saver is off so writes aren't interrupted. Open the app, select Write, and pick the data type, URL, text, contact, or Wi-Fi. Tap Add Record, enter the exact content you want stored, and verify characters and prefixes like HTTPS// for links. Once done, position the tag near the phone's NFC area before tapping Write to begin. Now perform the core write. Place the tag over your phone's NFC sensor and keep it steady. Movement often causes failure. In the app, add multiple records only if the tag's capacity supports them, because larger payloads may exceed storage limits. Choose whether to make the tag read-only or keep it rewritable. Read-only locks the data permanently. Tap Write and watch for a success message. Make sure to test by reading back the tag with the app or a simple phone scan. Finish by confirming the tag behaves as intended. Test on another phone and pick a final mounting location. If the write failed, remove any phone case, reboot the phone, or use a new tag. Some tags are defective or low capacity. Also avoid placing tags on metal or near magnets because they block NFC. Use adhesive stickers or a thin plastic spacer. If you can't write after retries, check app permissions for NFC and storage. Then repeat the write process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.